Today I have a car lock for you guys. It's old lock from Mazda. It was sent to me by Lockmania. Lockmania, thank you very much for sending it to me. And this is his writing. So, and I check, it's really old Mazda car lock. So it's interesting wafer lock, and the wafers are on both sides, top and bottom. But another interesting design is that the wafers are split, so you need to pick it twice. That's really interesting and different than other type of wafers that I previously picked. So and it's yeah, there are false like grooves with a false gates, but not like deep enough. But yeah, nevertheless, it's a pretty interesting lock. I cleaned it a bit, it was like in bad shape, and yeah, bottom side now all the wafers are springy. So let's check the top ones. The first row, or the first pick is like going through the wafers, so the first time picking the wafers, it's like a small movement on core every time I touch some of the wafers. But after the first pick, the second picking, it's like a bit different with false gates, like you need to pick it, so it's a different feeling. And if you don't know how this works, it's going to be like pretty difficult to, yeah, here's that first like big false set. It's not really a false set, it's the wafers from this side are now here and binding here. So I don't know if you can see my pick. Camera is doing weird things. So now it's the second picking time for this lock, so nothing from the bottom side. So here's some click on the top, here's a big one. So let's check the bottom rows, and here open the big click. So it's not that it's not like hard to pick. It's like going through the wafers and just trying to pick to touch all of them and pick them. So it's not like some other types of wafers, and it's, so let me come on, here's this, it's open. So yeah, I will close it and I will try to disassemble it. Yeah, we need to remove this part, the top part. So yeah, I'll try my best not to ruin the lock or this aluminum part, because yeah, I need to put it back together. We'll see how it goes. Sometimes it's easy to disassemble, sometimes not, depends on the lock, but I'll think I'm going to manage, but I'm not sure. Currently it's not like, yeah, it's going to be interesting if I stab myself and yeah, there is a blood all over the place, but yeah, not today, I hope. So and finally remove remove this aluminum piece. So here's that cover, like spring-loaded cover. So here's that part, and I think now, yeah, I can slide the whole come on, whole body, yeah, here it is. And here's inside that split part, that two grooves on the both sides, and I will show you the wafers. Here's the wafers, they're the same, like grooves on every one of them, and it's 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. So let me grab tweezers and remove all the wafers. So I drop one, it's the last one. Come on, yeah, let's go one by one. So here's the first one. Yeah, and here's that small groove on that side. I don't know why it's don't want to focus. So the first one, the second one, third one, fourth one, come on, fifth one, sixth, seventh, and the eighth one. I will try to remove one small spring and show you how it's look like. Here is a small spring, so I'll put it there, and I will try to show you one of the wafers. Let me find the cleanest one, if it's possible. So here it is. Here's some false gate, grooves for the false gate, and here's some number. For example, it says 5 on this one. On the other ones, I don't know, let's check the other one. Yes, I think it's a 6. I don't know if you can see, or yeah, I cannot see. Let's find a cleaner one. Like 8 wine is 35. Yeah, probably some number, or 3B something. Yeah, interesting lock to pick. So guys, that was the Mazda car lock, the old one, sent to me by Lockmania. Thank you very much again for sending it to me. And guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.